What's up, low miles, no miles? 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, 1,800 original miles. Come take a look at this thing, Ryan. This car is virtually like brand new. It was ordered from the dealer like a cop car, was never put into commission or anything like that. But it is virtually like new. Just look at this thing, Ryan. I mean, come on.
With the tag still there.
This thing hasn't even been detailed. It came out of a warehouse where it had been sitting collecting dust. The underneath is as nice as the top. Let's pop the hood. Let's see that 4.6 liter. Look at that. Look at the motor. Sticker's still on it. Marking's still on it.
She is pristine.
It truly is. And if, I mean, anyone knows, Panther platform rules. Alarm on it, which it has a cool feature. It's got like that little button you press.
In the middle?
Yeah, where if you take you can take the key out and it stays running, but you can't pull it out of park.
Oh.
Like a cop, you know, like how cop cars are always running everywhere they go.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's set up to be a cop car. Look at the big trunk. It's like brand new. I mean, if you want yourself a chance at a brand new, look at that Police Interceptor. You like that? A brand new Panther platform, Crown Vic, with 1,800 miles on it. This is your chance. Sign up, get ready to bid. There is so many good cars that are coming out with our launch. Probably going to be launching around June. We'll update more as the weeks go on here, but you're going to see a lot of content from a lot of different vehicles that we're going to be listing here over the next few weeks. So get signed up, get ready to bid. If you have something like this, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but if you have something super low miles that you want to get in that auction, you want that media, that social media attention on it, you need to get with us now because the submissions are coming in. We're accepting cars left and right. So get in there. Let's get your car auctioned. Let's get it sold. Thanks, guys.